In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change list description in AWeber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to update so your subscribers immediately understand what your list is about and what they can expect from you. First, let's talk about what the list description actually does. This short summary appears in key places around your AWeber account and can show up on forums, confirmation messages, and other subscriber-facing areas, depending on your setup. It's the quick promise of value that helps people decide if they want to stay subscribed, and it also sets expectations about the type of content and the frequency they'll receive. A clear description builds trust and can even improve engagement because subscribers know they're in the right place. To make the change, start inside your AWeber dashboard and locate list options. You'll typically see this in the main navigation. Click into list options, then open list settings. This is the central hub for the essentials tied to your list, including the name, basic details, and of course, the description. On the list settings page, find the field labeled list description. Click into that box and edit your text. Keep your wording simple, specific, and benefit focused. A helpful structure is to say what you send, how often you send it, and why it's valuable. For example, promise useful tips, updates, or resources that genuinely match your audience's interests. Keep it concise and avoid hypey or misleading language. Clear beats clever here. If you manage multiple lists, double check that you're editing the correct one by glancing at the list name shown near the top of the page before you finalize your changes. As you refine your description, think about the experience from a new subscriber's point of view. If they only read this one line, would they understand who the emails are for and what they'll gain? Does the tone match your brand? Also consider consistency. Make sure the description aligns with the promises on your sign-up form and the content of your welcome email. That harmony helps reduce unsubscribes and spam complaints later. When your description looks good, you're done with the update. From here, your new wording will represent your list wherever AWeber displays it within your setup. If you use hosted forums or other sign-up experiences, give them a quick look to ensure the messaging feels consistent. That's it. You went to list options, opened list settings, and edited your list description. A small change, but it can make a big difference in building trust and keeping the right people engaged with your emails.